In a world where the built environment shapes how we live, work and grow, only one name stands at the intersection of quality, innovation and trust. Mafundi TV Kenya, building Africa's future, one project at a time. For over the years, Mafundi TV Kenya has positioned itself as a leading force in construction, design and media integration. We merge engineering excellence, modern architectural design and skilled craftsmanship to deliver projects that stand the test of time. Our approach is guided by three principles: integrity, precision, and an uncompromised quality. We transform ideas into structured, compliant, and aesthetically refined plan. Our architects deliver accurate technical drawings, council-ready blueprints, and optimized layouts for residential, commercial, and institutional developments. We provide complete end-to-end solutions, combine design, project planning, and construction management under the coordinated system. This ensures efficiency, cost control, and seamless project delivery. From foundations to final handover, our engineers and funders execute every stage with precision. We deliver in residential homes, commercial buildings, renovations and extension, structural upgrades, and full project supervision. Every project reflects our commitment to professional standards and durable workmanship. We create modern, functional, and breathtaking interiors. Our services include gypsum ceiling, painting and wall treatments, cabinetry and wardrobes, customized fittings, lighting concepts, luxury finishing solutions. We don't just complete spaces, we curate experiences. We shape outdoor spaces that complement and enhance your property's visual and functional appeal. Our expertise includes cabro installation, paving, garden design, external stonework, drainage solutions, a perfect finish inside and out. Professional expertise, skilled architects, designers, engineers, and technicians. Quality assurance, we adhere to industry standards and premium material selection, transparent project management, clear timeliness, structured reporting, and open communication. Modern technology and techniques, from 3D visualization to efficient building systems. Media integration advantage. Through Mafundi TV, we document and showcase projects for transparency, learning, and client confidence. At Mafundi TV Kenya, every project is more than construction. It is a statement of reliability, creativity, and a long-time value. We do not just build structures, we build trust, build reputations, we build the future. For architectural design, construction, finishing, or landscaping services, partner with a team dedicated to excellence. You can visit our website at www.mafunditv.co.ke or call us on 0728867082. You can also reach us through our email at info@mafunditv.co.ke. Mafundi TV Kenya, professional you trust, quality you can see, excellence you can feel. Mafundi TV, sisi tuko site.